It was my dad's food truck, and then passed it down and took it over, and I put a little spunk to it, you know what I'm saying, and redo it. We've been doing it for a couple years now. It's just something that we've been doing for a long time. And
we love cooking, and that's our passion. So we were like, well, this food tastes really good to us, so let's spread it and get paid for doing it.
They really like the ribs. They like the shrimp and rice. We serve collard greens.
It was passed down. The truck is sitting here. You know, it may as well make money. We love cooking. Let's let others taste this food that we cook. It takes a while. That's why we say it's worth the wait, because we have a long line. I am very honored to be his mom.
Yeah, Ace and Mario, they're my boys now. We connected now. Stay focused, get by yourself. It's there, it's out there to get it. So just take your time doing it. Don't rush it.